After one of the longest and snowiest winters in history, it's warming up finally. It's getting warmer outside, and so is the real estate market. My name is Joe Schwartzbauer, your favorite local Twin Cities realtor, and today we're going to talk about what's really going on here in the Twin Cities real estate market. I don't want to say it, but I think I kind of have to. I told you so. There's a lot of folks out there that have been waiting for the market to crash, and it's just not happening. There's a lot of people out there that want to time the market, and I respect that and I understand that, and I wish I could time the market as well, but this is my profession. I do this day in and day out, and I'm here to tell you there's no way to time the market. There is one way to time the market, maybe, and that is to buy a home or write an offer in October or November with a property that closes in December or January. December and January in history see the lowest sale prices of homes, and if you're going to time the market, that's when you want to write your offer. But let's get into just what's happening right now in today's market. We got March numbers that just came out. And as you can see in February, this is for single family homes in the 7-county metro, not new construction, previously owned traditional sales. We were at $357,500 for the median sale price, and we now jumped up to $375,000, about an $18,000 increase in the median sale price. Well, one of the big reasons that prices are going up is simply due to the supply. We have very low supply of homes, 0.6 months. For context, a balanced market is 6 months worth of inventory, and we are currently at 0.6 months. A balanced market means that it's not a buyer's market or a seller's market, and we tend to say 6 months of inventory is what creates a balanced market. Now, we're at 0.6 months. That means that if no other homes came on the market, everything will be sold in 0.6 months, meaning, what is that? 17, 18 days, basically. So supply and demand economics in full force here. Days on market. We also took a huge drop. We were sitting at 41. We're now down to 19. 19 days. That's a massive drop, and I guarantee you that number is going to come down even further when next month's numbers come out. Number of homes for sale here in the Twin Cities, 1,444 single family homes on the market. That is the lowest we have ever seen in history. It's history, folks. It's just history. We have never seen this few homes come on the market. Now, why do we have so few homes on the market? Well, one is there's still a significant amount of buyer demand, and two, there's something called rate lock. Right now, 99% of mortgages that are out there have an interest rate that's lower than what we have today, and 2/3 of all mortgages out there have an interest rate below 4%. Now, it doesn't make sense for a lot of folks to make a move when interest rates are at 6 to 7%, where today right about 6.5 is kind of where we've been hovering for the past week or so. But it doesn't make a lot of sense to move out of a home where you have a 2.5, 3.5% interest rate and have to buy something at 6.5. The dollars just don't make a lot of sense. People are choosing to stay in their homes longer and renovate them. So not a lot of homes on the market. There's a lot of accidental landlords, and that's something I will shoot another video about and let you guys know about. Percent of original list price, we are now back to 100%. This means that sellers are getting their price on their homes. There's not as much negotiation that can take place right now. And the market, it's hot right now. It's very, very hot. Just this last weekend, I had a property go on the market. This was a $339,000 property. I can't legally say exactly what it sold for, but I can tell you it went way over list price. And we're seeing that a lot of homes right now on the market that are selling in the median sale price, pretty much 600,000 and below, are typically selling when they're in multiples and when it's a good property for about 10% over the list price. That's a big number. That's a real big number. So we expect this to increase again throughout the summer. Let's just take a look at this in past history. Let's go back to 5 years. And you guys can see that each year, about June or July is when we tend to peak in the market. 2020 was a little bit weird. But May and June, July tends to be the top of the market. So those are offers that were written 30 to 60 days previous to that, which is right now. We're coming up on one of the hottest times in the spring market right now. It's just spring. The snow is just barely melted, but this is kind of the peak of the market. Now, this year we may see things get extended out a little bit further just due to all the snow that we have. There's a lot of folks that are not putting their home on the market because they've got beautiful landscaping and they want to make sure to show that off. So will we see more homes come on the market? Yes, 100% we will see more homes. Should the number of homes for sale increase this summer? I would sure hope so. We would expect to see them go up significantly this year. But as the number of homes go up, as interest rates drop as they are expected to, we're going to see more buyer demand and we're going to see more competition. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't get a deal on a property. There's always deals to be had. There's always deals to be found. You just got to work with a good agent that knows how to negotiate and, if possible, find you an off-market deal. That's something we're really good at and we really strive for and we put a lot of effort into. So if you're not having success out there, let us know. We're happy to help. We can make something work out. So those are really the basic numbers of what's going on. It's a seller's market. It's supply and demand. I can't say it really any other way, but the market is hot. It doesn't look to be cooling down. There's no crash in sight. Interest rates are coming down. There's a lot of weird economic news out there, possibly a recession coming up, but I will tell you, in the 4 out of the 5 last recessions, prices still went up. And with the supply of homes that we're at right now, there's just almost nothing that can take place that can lower the median sale price on homes here in the Twin Cities. Nationally, there's a lot of stuff that's going on. I'm your favorite Twin Cities realtor. If you got any questions about this, let me know. If you're looking to buy a home, drop it in the comments. I'd love to help out. I got a whole team of agents that can help out. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.